Okay, first things first, get yourself to your local BTS and don't forget your rabbit card. And we want to head to Ekamai. We're heading to Ekamai station. Bring cash always. Anyone? You want a big one? Why? That one, small one?
I don't want when.
Okay. So you got a couple of options. You can get the big bus, which we're going to go on this time, which is this one here. As you can see, it's got the picture, 38-seat bus, or you can get the smaller 25-seat or the kind of like 10-seat vans. We did the van the first time, and it was a bit bumpy. It stopped a lot. Wasn't quite as comfortable. So yeah, we'll go with the 38-seat bus this time. Okay, so we're about to head off now, and I was a little bit off on my timings. I should have remembered the first time, but it was a long time ago. It's about a 2-hour trip to get to Pattaya from Bangkok. The bus trip's going to cost us, or going to cost you each, about $6.20, $6.30 NZ, and the BTS cost about $4 here. So you know, like $10, $11 to get to Pattaya from Bangkok in a couple of hours, plus the BTS. That's pretty damn good. And it's less than the price of a beer in New Zealand. Well worth it. See you soon. Okay, 2 hours later, we made it to Pattaya bus terminal. We just called a Grab taxi. You've got to get the Grab app when you come to Thailand. Absolutely brilliant, just like Uber, but just their local equivalent. And we've got about a 10 or 15 minute drive to our hotel. Okay, we made it, finally. Left about 9 o'clock this morning. It's about 2 o'clock now, so that's 5 hours. It's a long day. Check this place out. This is what you get in Pattaya for $70 a night. This is actually very, very nice. This is well appointed. Nice decor. Beautiful bed, little balcony. Place to work, no complaints at all. And let's see if I've got a minibar. Da, 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 da. No, they don't, damn it, they've got water only. But they do have complimentary breakfast. So yeah, breakfast and Wi-Fi is included in your $70 NZ for the night. We're going to be here just the night, leave tomorrow afternoon. Check out the fireworks festival, should be awesome. See you soon. $70 including breakfast. Damn. You do not need to spend a lot of money when you're in Pattaya. Let's see how close to the beach we actually really are. Which way you want to go? This way? Oh, I can smell the weed. Yeah, a lot of weed shops here as well. And here we are, we made it. $35 for a cocktail, pretty good bottle of beer, 320 mils, and 2 main meals, $35 NZ. Boom! It's windy, it's going to be very interesting for the fireworks tonight. This is the before video, or before it gets mental. What time is it, about 3 o'clock now? Just 3:30 in the afternoon. It is a beautiful day, it's about 32 degrees. It's windy, so it doesn't feel too hot. Yeah, check this place out in about 4 hours when it starts at 7:30. Holy shit. Don't grab.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Welcome to